Welcome back. Today's video we're going to look at pushing heavy objects and lifting heavy objects. Okay, let's move a heavy boulder. First, we need to wiggle and lock onto the boulder. Like this. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Okay, you try. Are you ready? Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Amazing, well done. Okay, so when we're at the wiggle and lock, to move the boulder, it's tension forward. Okay, you try. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Tension forwards. And release. Amazing. Well done. We mustn't forget our expressive faces. So, wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Tension forward to move the boulder. And expressive faces because it's heavy. And release. Amazing. Well done. Okay, now we're going to try it without me speaking. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. And release. Amazing. Well done. Now let's lift a heavy box. First, we need to wiggle and lock under the box. Like this. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Okay. You try. Are you ready? Let's go. Wiggle and lock. Wiggle and lock. Amazing. Well done. And release. Awesome work. So, once you've done the wiggle and lock under the box, we now have to lift the box like this. Tension upwards and holding and release. Okay, you try. Are you ready? Let's go. Wiggle and lock under the box. Wiggle and lock under the box. And tension upwards, holding, it's heavy, and release. Amazing. Well done. Okay, let's not forget our expressive faces. Are you ready? So once you've done wiggle and lock, tension upwards. Now bring your faces in. It's a really heavy box. Oh, can't hold it any longer. And release. Amazing. Well done. Okay, now let's try it without me speaking. Are you ready? Let's go. Amazing. Now, let's try both of them together. Great work, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed these mime sessions, and I'll see you next time.